All right, the equity markets in India saw a choppy day of trade with the benchmark flitting between gains and losses almost throughout the session. It ended with very narrow cuts of about 0.1%, but the range that it traded in was just about 120 points or thereabouts. But overall, the market breadth favored the advances, and that was reflected in the fact that the broader markets outperformed. In fact, the small cap index ended with gains of close to 0.8% or thereabouts. IT was clearly the story of the day because the earnings season kicked off in earnest with Tata Consultancy Services reporting its earnings for the second quarter in the evening yesterday. And it was a bit of a disappointment with the revenue missing consensus estimates. Of course, the PAT number came in ahead of those estimates on the back of bigger than expected expansion in the margins. But all told, the street is not really convinced about the path ahead, and seemingly a little bit of a worry in terms of headwinds for execution and the like for not just TCS, but the wider IT pack as a whole. And as a result of which, Nifty IT underperformed in a big way. Among the other sectors, there were quite a few gainers because all told, the risk-on sentiment is pervading globally, and that was reflective in today's session in India as well. The Nifty Realty Index did see a little bit of profit taking after the stellar move it's had in the recent past. A few stocks that you need to know about. The mining stocks were all in focus after royalty payments or the rates of royalty were fixed for mining of rare minerals. So the likes of MOIL and GMDC as well as NMDC were all up over 5%. Aster DM was in focus because there's a report of interest by private equity to pick up stake. So that counter was up as much as 5%. And Zomato hit a 20-month high after several brokerages upgraded the stock or the target price on the stock. Finally, Infosys is going to be the stock to watch tomorrow because earnings are out in just a short while from now. And that is going to shape trade in the session at the end of the week.